The first stage, Ukha, fish broth. For a rich broth, you will need small river fish, ruffs, perches. Put them in a pot with water and cook over low heat until the fish is completely boiled down, giving all its taste and aroma to the water. This is the foundation of a real Ukha. Strain the broth. When the small fish has completely boiled down, the broth must be carefully strained through a fine sieve or cheesecloth. This way, all the small bones and scales will be removed, and you will be left with a clean, clear, and rich broth, which fishermen call Ukha. The second stage, the main fish. Return the clear broth to the pot and place it on the fire. When it boils, add the second portion of fish, larger and more noble. Zander, cut into large, portion-sized pieces, is perfect. Add the vegetables. To give the soup a golden color and a light sweetness, add a whole peeled onion and 1 coarsely chopped carrot to the pot. The vegetables are added together with the second fish. Don't forget the potatoes. What is fish soup without potatoes? Cut several potatoes into large cubes so they don't fall apart during cooking, and add them to the pot. Cook until the potatoes are semi-cooked. The third stage, the noble fish. This is the culmination of the recipe. When the potatoes are almost ready, add the third most valuable fish to the soup. Fatty trout or sterlet is ideal. This fish cooks very quickly and gives the dish a special tenderness and rich taste. Time for spices. When the third fish is almost cooked, add the spices. The main thing is not to overdo it, so as not to overwhelm the delicate fish aroma. A few black peppercorns, 1 or 2 bay leaves, and salt to taste will be enough. Fisherman's secret number 1. To make the taste of the soup brighter and the small fish bones softer, pour a shot of vodka into the pot. Don't worry, the alcohol will completely evaporate, leaving only a pure taste. Fisherman's secret number 2. To give the soup a unique smoky aroma, take a smoldering birch log from the fire and dip it into the pot for a single moment. The soup will hiss and a magical aroma will appear. Immediately after this, remove the pot from the fire. Let it rest. After removing the soup from the fire, cover the pot with a lid and let it infuse for 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, all the flavors and aromas will merge into a single harmony. Serve the soup hot, sprinkled with fresh herbs. Enjoy your meal.